bamboo. Nice house. I'm gonna take you down.
Okay, so this is like it's a nice little cafe. You wanna go eat here? This guy based it on
Maybe we'll go for lunch there because I'll meet that we got that Skype at 11:30.
Oh, trust me, it's really bad.
What's this?
This is some Shinto things.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so yeah, we walked this, I remember. Anyway, so we pretended to be Christians. We were hiding in the forest and we walked, and then we saw some fellow choking me.
Keep going straight. Where's the relics up there? Where's the relics? You think so?
No.
No.